guys, hi, what's up? In today's video I want to describe to you about 5 ways to adopt vegan diet. In my video you will know what you can do and what you should not lose weight and at the same time be healthy. Stay tuned. Considering going vegan to lose weight? In this video I will walk you through how to start vegan diet and what you need to know before starting a vegan diet. I have prepared for you 5 tips, a vegan diet guide. But remember that a vegan diet can help or hurt your weight loss goal. The growing interest in vegan diet is hard to ignore. Vegan diet have proven effective against heart disease, diabetes, obesity and many other chronic diseases. But they can be a useful weight loss tool? Potentially, in fact, in 2016, a study in Harvard University found that people on a vegan diet lose more weight than non-vegetarian after 18 weeks of it. Vegan diets actually lost the most weight, losing 5 points more than non-vegetarians, while vegetarians lost 3 points more. However, going vegan isn't necessarily a winning weight loss formula. Eating a healthy vegan diet requires a little planning. Just because something is vegan doesn't make it healthy. From this video, I will teach you 5 positive and negative facts of a vegan diet for lose weight. Fiber intake is a key to weight loss and overall health. Fiber keeps us full until our next meal and also helps prevent the temptation to snack. It regulates blood pressure, keeps cholesterol levels low. Those factors make a high fiber diet essential for losing weight and maintaining weight. Vegan fast food often replace all foods. Ideally, people on a vegan diet should eat whole foods, plant-based foods. Meaning most of the calories came from food, whole grains, nuts, seeds and everything like that. But there is not always the case. There are now more processed vegan food in grocery stores than ever been, which is why people become vegans who specialize in unhealthy food. There are few exceptions. For example, there are many dietary recipes for vegan burgers made with whole grains and vegetables. There's nothing wrong with making vegan version of your favorite foods. It's okay. Just remember about the ingredients you use. A vegan diet usually contains less saturated fat. The World Health Organization recommends that we consume no more than 10% of our calories from saturated fat, or about 22 grams per day if you are on a 2000 calorie diet. Significantly reduce the intake of saturated fat. A healthy plant-based diet focuses on healthy unsaturated fats and good carbohydrates, so you can consume more fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals than the standard American diet. Number 4. Vegan diets may contain too many healthy fats. Some of the healthiest vegan foods like avocado, nuts and seeds are especially high in calories. And eating them too much can lead to rapid weight gain. Also, keep in mind that plant-based saturated fats are no better for your health than animal-based saturated fats. For example, coconut oil and coconut milk should be consumed with moderation and in small amounts due to their high calories and saturated fat contain, especially if you are trying to lose weight. Plant-based foods are typically lower in calories than animal foods. You should naturally eat fewer calories on a vegan diet, since plants are lower in calories per serving than animal products. Foods like greens, whole grains, fruits and beans can be just as filling, but how much less fat and fewer calories than meat, cheese and eggs. Eating a diet rich in plant protein and fiber will easily fill you up on less than you'd need on a standard American diet. Do you like my video? Do you want to watch more? Subscribe to my channel, put notification bell, and don't forget to watch more video about diet. I really truly want to help you lose weight and know information about dieting. Correct way to lose weight, it's very important. Subscribe to my channel and see you in next video. Bye.